Happy 6:30 a.m. Good morning from me and my lemon water. It is like 8 a.m. I'm having coffee and a banana for like a little kind of breakfast. It's more of a pre-workout. I booked a Pure Barre class. I'm trying it again in a different studio with a different instructor to see if I like it better. But I need to leave in like 20 minutes, so I thought I'd have a little cup of coffee and just a banana for a little bit of energy before my class, and then I'll like make a real breakfast when I get back. And I'll be done by like 10:30. And I'll hopefully be home by like 11. I might stop by the organic store. Classic. I literally feel like I go to a freaking grocery store every single day. And then I want to prep my veggies today and get ready for class and fun. And here we are. JK, I just tried to open the door and it's locked. I'm a little confused. Am I at the wrong studio? I'm like 15 minutes early, which is how early you're supposed to be your first time. Good angles. It's 9:13. The class starts at 9:30. In the bathroom now. It's just there's a class going on. It's a small studio, so I think they have to come up and like unlock the door in the middle of class. So a cute little studio. It's so small. I look a mess. It is so windy and cold out. But you guys, I tried again, and I've decided Pure Barre is not for me. I don't know. It's weird because I'm sweating, but there's no cardio, and I think it's just like it's a good workout, and it's great if you're like want to do more resistance stuff and you're not good at like doing resistance on your own. You want to like get toned, it'd be great. But I would just much prefer to do strength and resistance training on my own, and that's why I like classes is for cardio, because that's where I like struggle to push myself on my own. So I think that's what I figured out. It was still a nice workout. Hopefully I'll be sore. Okay, what's up? I feel like I haven't talked to you in a while, like since I left Pure Barre, but way back. I have since showered and gotten ready, and I made avocado toast for brunch. Nothing new here. Now it is the afternoon, and I'm going to do a little bit of meal prepping, just my veggies and stuff. First, I'm going to chop up my sweet potato, just do a little mix of peppers and mushrooms and asparagus. That'll be nice. And I think I'm also going to make some rice actually to have. My hair and makeup is pretty typical, so yep. Off to go learn statistics, methods. What's up guys? It is Wednesday now. I'm not sure the last thing I vlogged yesterday, but I didn't vlog anything of me like going to class or anything in the evening. But today I have class again, and I figured that I would show you a little like what I eat in a day kind of thing. Not super detailed, but just like an overview of like what I eat in a day in grad school kind of thing, because I haven't done anything around that before, like class-wise. I decided to take a rest day from the gym, and I'm not going today. I had my morning routine already this morning. If you're new to this channel, then you don't know, but most people do. I make like a glass of warm lemon water, and I drink that and take my supplements and stuff, and then I make coffee. I like blend my coffee up with coconut milk, maca powder, and collagen peptides, and that is my little morning routine. Today I just kind of drank that, and I wasn't super hungry to begin with. I haven't eaten yet. It's been a few hours, so I think I'm gonna make some protein pancakes for like a breakfast, lunch, brunch kind of thing. I kind of like to eat everything a little later the days I have class, like at night, because I get home pretty late. I'll have like my lunch before I go at like 3, so then I'm not like starving in class. I'm gonna make some protein pancakes. That's something I haven't made on the vlog in a long time, I feel like. I'm gonna try making them with the Vital Proteins collagen sports greens, which I got in my last vlog you might have seen. I didn't love the taste of this like on its own as like a protein drink kind of thing, but I figure maybe it'll be better in like a protein pancake, so I'm just gonna do a little bit, not a full serving. So basically for protein pancakes, in a little blender cup, I'm putting just 1 egg. I'm putting a whole banana, the riper the better, and these ones are quite ripe. And I'm just doing half a scoop of the sports greens. So if you're not familiar with this, it's kind of like a protein powder. Normally with this recipe, you would use like a real protein powder. I just don't have one that I like, that I'm not allergic to. Long story if you don't watch my videos. So the sports greens is kind of like a protein powder, except it's like made with greens, and the protein comes from watermelon seeds, which is interesting. And also I like to add chia seeds into my protein pancakes just because they add fiber, make you fuller, omega-3s, all that fun stuff, and they blend up like small. And in the words of Encore Makeup, blend, blend, blend. It's legit green. Like, I hope I don't regret this. And the key to these protein pancakes is you want to cook them lower heat for a longer amount of time. Oh, good evening. Cook them up. I just flipped them, but they look burnt. They're not like burnt. This one's a little crispy. These guys, you kind of just tell by the edges and the bubbling. See, that was like a good one. So clingy. So there's my pancakes. I'm just gonna drizzle a tiny bit of honey and get my strawberries all over this shit. Still kind of scared. It's good. Yeah, I can't really taste the greens. I'll try by without strawberries and see if I can taste it. Still good. All right, it's been a few hours since I had my protein pancakes and I got ready. I've just been working on stuff on my laptop. That's pretty much what I'm doing today. I just had a lot of work to do, just like literally staring at my computer screen, grad school. Honestly, I have no idea what I want to make for lunch. So I just made another lemon water just because, I don't know, I like to have this before I eat sometimes or after. I don't know, it just felt like it, okay? And I'm gonna have one rice cake as like a little snack. This is the salted caramel Lundberg rice cakes while I do some more reading and decide what I want to make for lunch. I decided on the tried and true because I'm predictable ass bitch. Sweet potato with chicken. We're just gonna throw this on top. And then on top I'm putting buffalo sauce. Frank's Red Hot. Okay, so I have my lunch and I figured I'd just vlog a little bit of like me doing work right now. This is like what I've been working on. Staring at my computer screen, like I said. But I do get a lot of people requesting me to talk more about grad school and do more like grad school kind of videos. So that's why I wanted to focus this, like what I eat in a day, kind of around grad school. So yeah, my only class today is at 5:30. I do live about like a 45-minute to an hour train ride from my school, which is American University. I'm getting my master's in international peace and conflict resolution, if anyone doesn't like know who I am and is wondering all these things. My class tonight is youth and conflict. I have my lunch. I've just been literally working, sitting at my kitchen table. Right now, what I'm working on is I have my first presentation with a group. I love group projects. Honestly, I didn't expect to have group work much in grad school. And last semester, I only had one like small group project, which was annoying enough. But this semester, I have like major group projects in every single one of my classes. And this is not even like the main one for this class. This is just like a side thing that everyone has to do every week. So every week there's like a pair that presents on like organizations that are related to what we're learning in class kind of thing. So my presentation's next week. Me and my partner, this random girl, we just like signed up on a sheet. We're talking about child soldiers, which I felt like would be a really good topic to present on. I feel like there's been like organizations and movements around that, but I'm writing up some notes from the readings this week tonight for that class, and then me and my partner are staying after. I don't know how long it's gonna take because my class ends at 8 and I already get home pretty late. Am I Snoop Dogg? Did you hear that rhyme scheme? But I just want to have some like background info and notes prepared when I meet with her so that we can kind of like sketch out our presentation and like figure it out and decide what we want to focus on easier. I'm already kind of nervous for it, and the first presentation of the semester was last week and they did so good and it was like so thorough and it like set the bar really high, and now I'm scared. I need to connect it to the readings for next week and I haven't done all of it yet. So I'm gonna have to do some skimming. But yes, there's a little look into my grad school life right now, what I'm focusing on. And then, oh, Sierra's calling me, okay. I think this is what I'm going to wear to class today. It's pretty much all black. Honestly, do I have another color scheme? Black sweater from Shein. You can't really see it. It's like cable knit. The arms are really awkwardly short. You can't see under this jacket, but whatever. These jeans are black jeans from Nordstrom. And then my bag that I bring to class every day is a Rebecca Minkoff medium Mac tote. And then this is just like a little folder that they gave us at the school at orientation. And I'm gonna grab a protein bar. This is the Square Organics protein bar in mint, and I like to have one of these on hand just in case I'm like starving in class. Like if we have a break, I'll eat this, or maybe since I'm staying after to work on my project, I'll eat it then. And I think I might swing by Starbucks on my way to the metro station just to get another coffee for the day because it's gonna be a long night. I basically live here at this point. Waiting to go to class. We have like 15 minutes till the room's open. so I'm early. Here's a little look at one of the rooms in the School of International Service. It's just kind of like a little lobby thing on the second floor where there's a couple computers, some books, lots of covers of books that professors have written. Like he was one of my professors last semester. Quality content. Got out of class and my group meeting back on the metro. Okay, so it's like 9:15 now, I think. And my meeting took like an hour. So I'm probably gonna get home at like 10. Eating dinner at 10. Nice. That's later than usual, but such is life. The next morning. Happy Thursday. This vlog is actually going up today, but I didn't end it last night because I got home late and Tyler was already asleep. Usually I'm all about the abrupt endings of vlogs, but I figured I could do better than a close-up of my dinner. So I had rice, veggies, and chicken. So exciting, with teriyaki sauce. Yeah, so that's the end of this vlog. It's going up today. Just an explanation, even though this is already up, so you're watching it, so it doesn't matter anymore. But I just was like, I got home too late to edit it last night. I was so tired and I wanted to sleep. So I'm gonna edit it at some point later today when I get home. But today I'm going to Composition ID, getting my body scan. I'm so nervous. As we'll see in my next vlog, if you're subscribed, click subscribe. You'll see in my vlog on Sunday how that goes and what my scan said. And I'm so nervous, but it'll be good. So I'll see you guys on Sunday. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day grad school edition. Peace out, Girl Scout. I can't stop.